List of tables, show tables. I want to get starting with the ending with the. Go for what concept? Go for like
Like
a percentage E. Okay, so this is so far. Okay. Now employee table. How to fetch the data by using what? By using select
select
state. What is star here?
project
Projection operator.
What exactly it will do? It will project all the columns and all the records in my employee table. Okay. Now from this one, I want to find the maximum salary. How to find the maximum salary?
select max
Max of
salary.
salary. Okay. Same thing I want to find. Okay. So department I want to get the maximum salary. How to get? So by using group by concept. Okay. Same thing. Let me help you. Control C, Control V. Suppose order by one DESC. What is order by one descending? What is order by one?
Column 1.
First column. Okay, first column, but salary column it
Salary.
descending. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now tell me what's the maximum value? You can get maximum value or minimum value. So, but requirement is that what? Now tell me what's the fourth highest salary? Think the data. Fourth highest salary is what? What the fourth highest salary? 59,000. Tell me by using aggregate functions, can you get the fourth highest salary, top five salaries, or bottom five salaries for the one? It is not possible. So, see, point you need to remember is that what? So, by using aggregate function, I can get the maximum or minimum or total value. But I want to get the third highest salary, department second highest salary. Now, we should go for what concept? Which concept come into picture? Analytical functions. Now we're discussing analytical functions. Tell me what analytical functions we're having. Anyone? A row
Row
number,
rank
very, very important rank, and a dense rank. Okay, so lead and lag. Okay, see row number, rank, dense rank, lead, and lag. These are the analytical function used regularly. Row number, rank, dense rank, lead, and lag. Tell me what is row number? Anyone knows? We'll see the same thing in detail. Anyone knows? Row number, rank. No one? Anyone knows? We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, 1 second. Let me write the query, then I can able to ask. These are important. Okay, compulsory into question, real time also will work the same. Okay, now see. Let me see the syntax. See row number. Okay, bracket open, bracket close, over order by salary descending. Now see the same thing. Now what happened? Tell me. What is given row number? Tell me anybody. What is functionality of row number? It's simply giving numbering from top to bottom. Okay, see the same thing. Now see. So this value is giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how to put proper heading?
for alias.
Column alias. Okay, see column alias. We'll see simple thing. So simply row number give what? A row number giving series of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, see it will give you series of numbers. It is giving series of numbers. From top to bottom, it's giving series of numbers. Okay, same thing. Control C, Control V. Tell me any gaps are there? No gaps. Okay, no gaps. Okay. It's giving series of numbers, no gaps. Same thing when I put rank. See what happened. Put one proper alias. Okay. Now see the same thing. Tell me rank also giving numbering. But what's the difference? What is the difference? Tell me anyone. Important.
Skipping the
See 75,000, 75,000. Same salary is there. Then what happened? Same rank is given. Okay. So see the same thing. A rank also give numbering. But what happened? Plus same value equal to same rank will be assigned. So simple you need to understand. 1 second, let me complete. You can ask question. The same value. Now same copy the same thing. Control C, Control V. I'm putting dense. See dense rank. See dense. Now tell me it is doing what? Anyone? Tell me what is doing this one. Tell me. Tell me. Both are same, but what's difference? And that's important. This is important. Okay.
It
So
will
see.
skip pattern.
Okay. See 75,000. When I go for 75,000. So see same value. So here, but row number giving just a series of number. When I go for rank, what? Same value, same rank. Dense rank also same value, same rank. See. So numbering plus same value, same rank. Okay. And if see what happened there, what's difference? Okay. See here after 3, what should come? 4 should come. Then what happened? Skipping of numbers will happen in a rank. This is important. Plus skipping of numbers will be there. What about here? So no skipping. We'll see one second. You'll get a little bit confusing. No skipping. Control C. No skipping of numbers. If you're not able to, I'll go for Excel. Understand the concept. This is important. Okay, see the same thing. Suppose I'm having salary column. Okay. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Tell me this is ascending side or descending side? Tell me. Ascending side. Okay. Okay, ascending side. Now row number. Row number, what we discussed, tell me. Row number will give series of numbers. Series of numbers, nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, see what happened here. 4,000, all are same. Okay, but what happened? It's giving series of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Tell me what about rank? Anybody, what is rank will give? Rank also will give numbering. But what happened? Same salary, then what happened? Same rank, same rank. This is clear, huh? So see the same thing. So see rank, numbering, same value equal to same rank. Okay, what about dense rank? Tell me anyone. Dense rank also same thing. 1, 2, 3, same value, same rank. Then suppose I'm having 4,000 again. Again, what will get? Will get 8. What will get? Will get 4 and 4 will get. Okay, because same salary, same rank. Okay. Suppose I'm having 5,000 is there. Tell me now what will get? Will get 9. What about here will get what for rank? Rank will get what?
9.
So see skipping of numbers, nothing but what? What is skipping? Nothing but what? Tell me.
9.
5, 6, 7, 8 got skipped. 9. What about dense rank?
5.
No skipping. We'll get 5 values. So here row number will give series of number. It doesn't bother whether records are same or not. It simply give numbering from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about rank? Rank. See this all the 3 things will give numbering. What about rank? Rank also give numbering. 1, 2, 3. But what happens? Same value, same rank is assigned. But difference is that what? So next value 5, 6, 7, 8 got skipped. So skipping of values will be there. So what about 10th rank? No skipping of values is there. That's what the function. Important. Listen, you're getting the point. This is important. Row number, rank, and dense rank. Any doubts so far? Getting a little bit. So this is very, very important. Row number, rank, and dense rank. Clear so far? This is the concept. So row number will give series of numbers. So no gaps. Tell me what about rank having gaps? In rank will have gaps will be. Okay. What about dense rank? No gaps. So you should understand row number will give series of numbers. Numbering plus same value, same rank. Skipping will be there where? Tell me skipping will be there where? In the rank. No skipping will be there in the dense rank. Getting it? This is the concept. Okay, so see the same thing. This is so far. Okay. Now what's my requirement? My requirement is what? My requirement is the fourth highest salary. What is fourth highest salary? 59,000 is the fourth highest salary. Okay, I should get 59,000. Now where salary equals to 59,000? Tell me it's a static or dynamic? Anyone? So see, so there will be
Static.
so many records will be there. Okay, so I want to get 50, okay, fourth highest salary, 10th highest salary. So it is not, so it's a static thing. I want to make it dynamic. Then go for what? See, where row num equals to fourth highest salary. Now tell me it work or not? Anyone, any guess? This query will work? Huh? Anyone, any idea? Tell me it work? Huh?
No.
So it won't work. Why? Because see what happens. See, so here you should understand what. Tell me why this query is working fine. Why this is not working fine. Tell me your salary is what?
Field name.
It's a table column name. What is dronum? It's a table column. Huh? It's a derived column. So we have derived the column. So see, it is not possible. See here what happened. So this is working fine because salary is a part of table. Tell me it's a part of table. This is not a part of table. So for this purpose, what happened? No, see, we need to write select this star from employee. Tell me what is employee here? Employee is what? Employee is a table, same thing. So instead of table, what happened? Important listen. So see, instead of table, bracket open, bracket close. Now I'm copying the same thing. Control C, Control V. Now tell me this will act as a table. Okay. Simple thing what happened. So see, here employee is a table. Now see what happened instead of table, I am putting this select statement and I am putting. Now tell me now it will act as a what? It will act as a table. Okay. Now tell me how to filter the table column by using what? By using, now tell me row number is a column, rank is a column, dense rank. Now how to filter this thing? We should go for what concept? Go for where class. Tell me where we want got fourth highest salary. So where row num equal to 4. Tell me it work. Huh? What's fourth highest salary? 59,000. Tell me it's working. Huh? It is not working. What about the rank? It will work. Huh? It won't work. Okay, see what? Skipping. Okay, see. Now tell me if you have duplicate salaries, which value will work? Only dense rank will work. If you're not able to understand, copy the same thing. This is very important. You need to focus. Okay. Tell me how's list of tables? Show tables like E percentage E. So it is giving employee table. How to fetch the data by using what? By using select the statement. Select the star from employee. Now what's requirement? I want to get the third, fourth highest salary. Suppose like if you have duplicate, we should go for what concept? Go for, tell me, I'm having, suppose see the same thing. I want to get fifth highest salary. What is fifth highest salary? Fifth lowest salary. Fifth one, two, 3, 4, 5. Tell me if I go for row number, it is giving correct data? No. Okay. Okay, if I giving, so it is not giving. If I go for rank, fifth record is missing. Now we should go for what concept? Go for dense rank. So when you have duplicate salaries, we should go for what concept? Go for what? Go for what? Go for which
Dense.
dense rank. Why? Because in the row number, it's giving series of numbers. What is fifth salary? Fifth will give 4,000. What is fifth lowest salary? Fifth is not there because skipping. So we should go for what concept? Go for see first salary, second lowest salary, third, fourth, fifth. Now what we want? We want the fifth lowest salary. So by using row number, we'll get 4,000. By using rank, we'll get no record. So by using, so we should go for what concept? Go for which concept? Go for
Dense.
dense
Dense.
rank. Because what happened? What's the thing? So see in dense rank, no skipping of values will be there. Now what is in rank? So dense rank, see returns the value with the group without gaps in the rank. So dense rank, bracket, open bracket, close, over, what is syntax? Order by salary, DESC. So DESC nothing but descending. Now see numbering, what see the numbering? Okay. How do you proper heading? Go for column alias. So how the numbering giving? Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what's the requirement? I want to get the fourth highest salary. Tell me, can you use directly here? It will work where DN equal to 4, it will work 8 to 1 bar because this is not a table column. Then what I should do? Tell me, we need to write one more outer query, bracket open, bracket close, like this. Because so table column we can fill directly. So by using thing we need to go for like this. Okay. Got the point. Outer query we need to write. Okay. Now tell me now what happened now? What now DN will access a table column. Tell me, can you filter where DN equal to fourth highest, that is 59,000. Same thing now what happened? I want to get, okay, I want to get, so sixth or fifth, then we need to put 5. Suppose I want to get third lowest salary. Tell me how to get third lowest salary. Suppose like the duplicate salary. How to get? By using what concept? Simply, if instead of descending, what I should put?
Ascending.
Remove the same thing. Now what I want? Tell me now it will you third lowest salary. Suppose I want to get the bottom 3 salaries. How to get bottom 3 salaries? Bottom 3. Tell me bottom 3 salaries.
Ascending limit.
Simple thing. We put equal to it, you only third. If I put less than equal to 3, then what it will you? Tell me. What it will give? What is giving?
Last 3.
Now tell me. It is giving what? It is giving
Bottom
last
three, sir.
3, no? Bottom 3. 40,000, 50,000, the same thing. Suppose I want to get to top 3. Tell me how to get top 3. What I need to put? Instead of ascending, put DESC. Okay, top 3 can able to get. Okay, so see 97,000. Submit yourself. See 97,000, 85,000, 75,000, 75,000. You say we can able to make the functionality. Getting the point of this is the way we can able to make it 97, 85,000. Okay, so if you have duplicate salaries, you should go for what concept? Go for dense rank. Suppose I want to get a top salary, top one, maximum value. How to get maximum salary? How to get maximum salary? Till maximum salary, we can go for
So let's
max function. I can put simply equal to
1.
1. It will give top salary. Okay, this is the concept of analytical functions. Very important for intro perspective and real time also. Compulsory will try to work on this concept. So see, now we're discussing the same thing. Now tell me now, I want to get a department wise maximum salary. Tell me how to get department wise maximum salary. Suppose if I put max of salary, what is it will give? Tell me from employee table. I will give from the entire column. I am trying to get the maximum salary. So this is so far good. But if I want to get department-wise maximum salary, what I should do?
Group by.
Tell me it work department ID it work yes
Group
or
by.
no?
No.
We should now what is the functionality? Non-aggregate column we should put in the group by class. They are mentioning not a, we should put in the group by class. Okay, this is so far good. So group by department ID. This is so far. Now what happened? So in each department, I want to get, okay, I want to get third highest salary. Okay. In each department, I want to get, okay, top 3 or bottom 3 lowest salary. Now we should go for what concept? So see, so simply if I want to get maximum or minimum, department wise maximum or department, we should go for what? Aggregate function and group by concept. Now requirement is that what I want to perform some analysis. I want to get the top three or bottom three. Department wise, second highest salary. Department wise, third lowest salary. Now we should go for what concept? Go for what? Go for analytical function. Which analytical function we should go for? Row number, rank, dense rank. See, select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now see simple things. Go for department ID, comma salary. Okay, so salary. Now I want to go for dense rank. So why you should go for dense rank? When you have duplicate salaries, dense rank will give the correct result. Order by salary descending. See the same thing. Okay. Now tell me now we are doing on what only? On the salary column. Tell me department is in shuffling. Now requirement is that what each department. Now, so see, remember in aggregate function, it is group by class. Same thing, we should go for partition by where in the analytical function. So see right now what happened, if you see this data, what happened? It is considering only the salary column. See 100, 300, 200, 100. Now what happened? Now requirement is that what? Okay, now requirement is that in the each department I want to get. Now we should go for what is the keyword for analytical function? Go for partition by department. Now each department will access one partition. Put the semicolon. Getting us, see the same thing. Now tell me now what happened. Now see 100 will access one group or one partition. 200 will access one group or one partition. Now tell me 300. Now tell me why it's giving 2 to anyone? Why it's getting 2 to?
Duplicate salaries.
So same salary, same. Now let me help you with the same thing. Let me open one more thing. So department ID, salary. Okay. So department 100, 100, 100. Understand this functionality. Compulsory you need to understand. See. So 1000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 3000. Same thing 100, 4000. Again 200, 500, 200, 1000. So concept is important. If you're able to understand, you can deliver anything. Okay. So 1000. Okay. Now see, this is what this is one group. One group, nothing but what we'll call as in analytical function. This is one partition. Okay. So this is what this is another partition or another group we can say. Okay. So far good. Okay. So we'll go for row number. Tell me what is row number? Tell me what is row number?
Series
This
of
is
numbers.
series of numbers.
Series.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come up.
Yes.
Yes, no, no, no.
No.
This is one group. No, so this is one group. Okay, up to here, one thing. What about here? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is another group. Now, what about a rank? Tell me rank. Rank also will give number. Okay, but see where what happened. Put the color. Okay. Tell me now 1, 2,
2,
same salary, same rank. What about next value?
6,
6 skipping, no? So 4, 5 got skipped. We are getting 6 value. What about dense rank? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, then 4. No skipping ever. What about here? 1, 2,
2, 3,
3. No, no. 2, no? 2, 2, 2. Okay. What about 1, 2, 2, 2? Okay. So this one's a mix of your case. So this is so far good. Now tell me now I'm having one more 200 and having one more 1000. Now what will get? We'll get 5, we'll get what? We'll get 2, we'll get 2. Same thing. Now what happened? One more 200. Now I'm getting. So 3000. Yes, 6. What will I get for rank? Rank
Six.
will get 6. What about dense rank?
Two.
3.
3. 3 because no skipping of values will be there. Okay, so here you need to understand what. So rank and dense rank all are same thing. But what happened? See here. So see in earlier we are putting normal. Now we should go for what keyword? Go for partition by keyword. Getting the point a little bit? Yes or no? This is the
Yes.
concept of partition by. Okay, getting it? So this is so far. Now same thing now what happened? So see. Now what's requirement? I want to get a department wise top two. Okay, we should go for what concept? Go for tell me it work. We'll try one more outer query. Select the star from bracket open, bracket close. So where put one alias. So where k equals to 2. Now tell me what it will be giving. Anyone tell me this is important. Anyone? What it will giving?
Second highest salary department.
In each department, you second highest salary. This is so good. Now see, instead of writing like this, no. So in Snowflake, there is a one key. One more time, tell me. I want to get okay, top bottom three lowest salary. How to get bottom three lowest salary? Select the star from employee. Okay, there are duplicates. We should go for what concept? Go for dense rank. So dense rank. Okay, over order by salary descending. Okay, so good. Now tell me now how to filter analytics. How to filter this one? We need to go for one more query. Select the star from bracket open, bracket close. So where L less than or equal to 3. Now what are we getting? See the data 97,000, 85,000, 75,000, 75,000. So this is normal thing. Now see, instead of writing like this, in Snowflake, there is a one concept. Tell me now what happened. Can you use where class? Where L less than or equal to 3 work? It won't work. Now instead of this, now what happened? In Snowflake, if I want to filter analytical function, what's the keyword we're having? Important. Having qualify. Qualify keyword is there. What is the purpose of qualify keyword? To filter analytical function. Tell me same data came up, same thing. So see, instead of writing two queries in Snowflake, there is a concept of qualify. What is the purpose of qualify keyword? To filter, not to filter analytical functions. Got the point? Huh? So this is the functionality. If I want to filter analytical functions, what I should go for in Snowflake? Qualify. Instead of writing those two queries, now I'm trying to write two queries. Now see what happened. How many records came? So see 4 records came. Now instead of just remove this functionality. Now what I need to use? What is the keyword simply use? Qualify keyword. Now tell me now what happened? 55,000, 50, 75,000. Tell me same data came up, 55,000, the same thing we can. So you should understand what in Snowflake, if I want to filter analytical function, we should go for what keyword? Go for qualify, qualify keyword. This is important. Got the point. So this is the functionality. So far, okay. Same thing. Let me go for one more thing. Let me see one use case. Then you can able to ask the questions. Now tell me A, B, C, C, D. Tell me now I want to go for row number. Tell me row number ascending set. What's the numbering for row number?
1, 2, 3, 4,
One,
5,
it's
6,
a series
7,
of
8.
numbers now. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
sir.
5, 6, 7. Okay, what about rank?
1, 1, 1,
1, 1, 1,
4,
Tell me. So it's a triple one, 4,
4,
double 5, 7,
5,
8.
8.
7,
Okay,
8.
so skipping now. What about dense rank? Triple one,
1, 1, 1, 2,
uh,
3,
2,
3,
double 3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
Okay, see, no skipping. So see, dense rank, no skipping of values will be there. This is so far. Okay. Now tell me this is also important. Now see, they want to get top 3 salaries gender wise. Now we should go for what keyword? So first we should go for
Partition.
analytical fund. Now we should go for what keyword? Gender wise. Partition by gender. Ascending sort or descending sort? Descending sort. Now we should go for order by salary, partition by gender, order by salary descending. Now how to filter analytical function? We should go for what keyword?
Qualify.
Qualify keyword. So we should go for, instead of 2 queries, go for qualify keyword. Same thing now. See this functionality. Let me, so see simple concept. Okay. Now tell me how to put proper heading. Proper heading in SQL.
Column elements.
Column alias. Okay. Now tell me capital M, capital S, capital R, capital K. Remaining small letter. We should go for what concept?
Init cap.
Init cap concept. So see, now there are so many digits are there. After decimal, I want to get only 2 digits. How to get only 2 digits?
Round.
Round function. Now see here what happened. So they are giving numbering. Numbering nothing but what concept? Numbering nothing but what concept? Analytical functions. Analytical function. So we should say analytical function. Now see what happened? 28, 27. See one same salary, same rank. Now tell me by seeing this one, it's a row number, rank, attendance rank. Tell me row number or?
Not row number.
Row number because series of numbers. But see here what happened. So see, okay, see duplicates are there and the gaps are there. Tell me it's a row, rank, attendance rank.
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 Why
Rank.
dense rank not work well? So in dense rank,
It's skipping.
dense rank, no skipping values, but here skipping of values will be there. Okay. Now tell me now. Okay, so give me the query. Assume like cricket is the table. So wickets is the column. Tell me how to write the query. Select start from cricket is the table. Okay. Then tell me how to do numbering based on what concept using analytical function. Now see what, now tell me what we need to go for which concept, row number, rank, attendance rank,
Rank.
rank. Tell me rank over order by wickets, ascending or descending, ascending or descending, descending. So descending. Okay. So put the column. Now tell me how to filter this one.
Qualify.
Why should go for qualify? So they want what? They want to get top
Less
5. We
than.
should use simply K less than or equal to
Fine.
5. Simple thing. No. So see, you should be in a position seeing the data, what concept they are trying to use this function. Okay. Now tell me next one is that what? Now tell me highest score. 129, 124, 104, 104. Tell me, okay, 1, 2, 3, 3. Same salary, same rank. This is what concept?
Rank and
Rank.
density.
It can be rank or dense rank. No, see, so see same salary, same rank. Suppose when you get 6, then it is what?
Rank.
Rank. When it is 4, that is
Dense rank.
dense
Dense.
rank. So seeing the data, you should be in a position. This is a row number. This is rank. This is dense rank. It should be the same thing. Got the point? That's the concept of so analytical function. So seeing the data, you should be in a position. This is the okay. So this is so far good. Row number, rank, and dense rank. So this is fine. Now come to one more important topic. Okay. So now one more thing is that what? Lead and lag. Okay. So this is a very, very important. So compulsory they try to ask this thing in real time. Okay, in real time, and we'll use in interview. They'll ask this type of question. Now see the same thing. Now what happened? Assume like this is my salary. So 1,000. So 2,000. So 3,000. So 2,500. So 6,000. 5,600. Okay. Now see, this is assume like this is my current position. From the current position, I want to get next value or future value. From the current position, I want to get previous value. Now see, now from this one, what is the next value? Next value is what? 2,000? 2,500, no? From this one, what is next value? It is 6,000. From this one, what is next value? It is 5,670. From this one, what is the next value? It is 2000, it is 3000. Tell me any next value is there? No, we'll get null value. Same thing from this one. What's the previous value? That is 2000. That is 1000. No previous will get null value. Simple thing. From the current position, I want access previous value. That is 6000, 2500 and 3000. From the current position, I want access previous value. Now tell me, now what happened? Tell me, this is what? From the current position, I want to get future value. We should go for what concept? Go for lead concept. From the current position, I want access previous value. We should go for what concept? Go for
Lag.
lag concept. Okay, simple thing. We'll try to give you simple use case. You can able to understand. Lead and a lag are very, very important. Okay. See, in a quarter, in a year, there are 4 quarters. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Each quarter, they're having sales. Now, see, from the current quarter, suppose like we're in the second quarter. I want to see the first quarter sales. Now, tell me now how to see first quarter. We should go for lead or lag. From the current position, I want access previous sales data. Then we
Lag.
should go for what? Lag concept.
Lag.
It's a simple thing. Okay. Take the data. So control V, control C. Now see what happens. Same syntax. Okay. Now what happened? We should go for lag of sales over part over what? Over order by same concept. Order by year, comma, quarter. Tell me this is ascending sort or descending sort? By default, it's what?
Ascending.
Ascending sort. See? So now we're getting. So how to put same heading? Tell me they want to put the same heading. So previous sales with the spaces. How to get previous sales with the same spaces? Tell me it work? It won't work. We should use double quotes, double quotation. Okay, so this is so far good. But what happened instead of null? I want put 0. How to put 0? Tell me instead of null, I want to go for NVL concept. See, NVL bracket open. We should close here. So this is so far good. But what happened instead of 0? They want no sales. Tell me how to get no sales.
True care.
No sales, no sales. Now see, instead of 0, we should put simply put no sales. But tell me it work, huh?
No, it's a number column.
Why see? No sales.
Yeah.
Now tell me why this is a number, this is a string. Now what I should do, I need to convert. Tell me
Two.
what I should do.
True care.
2 char. So 2 char of bracket open, bracket close. We should convert our number into string. Okay, so this is the way we can. Suppose I want to get future sales. How to get future sales? We should go for what concept? Go for
Lead.
lead. Okay, instead of previous, put future sales. So future sales for the last value, we don't get. Okay, no sales, future sales. This is the concept of lead and lag thing. Now see the intro question. Now tell me now from the current position, they want to get next value. How to get next value?
Lead.
Lead concept. So now we'll get what? Null. Instead of null, how to make it to 0?
NVL function.
Null handling, NVL or coils, we can go for the function. Same thing, see the data. Now what happened? A, B, C, D, F. From the current position, I want access next value. How to access next value?
Lead.
Lead. Lag. Lead, no? Lead or lag? Lead, no? You know, next value, nothing but lead. Previous value, nothing but the same functionality. Now see, simple thing, gold, right? Tell me how to get today's date. How to get today's date?
Current date.
Current date. How to get like this format?
DDM.
No, 2char, conversion function. 2char. Okay, so same thing. Now tell me how to get comma separate value?
Concatenation.
Concatenate. No, comma separate value.
2char.
2char, not 2char. How to put rupee symbol?
By pipe symbol.
By pipe, concat or pipe symbol. Tell me what is -1? What is -1? What is -1? So yesterday, what is my rate? So what is the gold rate? 9,551. So what is today's date? 955. Now nothing but what? So see, so I want to compare previous data. Now how to compare previous data by using what concept by using?
Lag.
Lag concept, no lag concept. Tell me in my database, I'm having only 1 gram gold. How to get 8 gram golds? Multiply with 8, multiply with 10, multiply with 100. Now, how to club all the SQL select statements into single select statement? How to club two result sets?
Union.
Set operators. Okay, which set operators we should prefer?
Union all.
Union all. Union all. Okay. Now, where I should put the heading?
Alias.
Where?
First.
First select statement. If I want to perform starting, where I should do the starting?
Last.
At the last. Okay, so this is the concept of aggregate functions, analytical functions, the same thing. Now see simple thing. Let me open one thing. So I'm opening Flipkart application. Now see what happened. Tell me if I want to get all the columns and all the records, how to get, we should go for what concept? Go for select star from Flipkart. What is doing? It's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I want to purchase a phone. Now see. One second. So now see, I'm putting in mixed case with the spaces. Now tell me how to make it working, what I should do, how to have the pattern matching. Go for where, upper of, category, like, tell me, percentage, what they're trying to type? They're trying to type this functional. Control C, Control V. How to remove spaces, tell me, by using which concept by using? Trim function. So trim function, we need to make it to upper concept. Okay. So far good. Okay. Now tell me how many records came, how this records came, tell me 10,000. Nothing but what this is? Number of records by using which function? Which aggregate function? Forgot, huh? Which aggregate function?
Sum. No.
Count, number of records. Okay, same thing. Now I want to get range of values. See, now tell me from 10,000 reducing to 4,000. Nothing but it's a filtering concept. And price between 10,000 and 30,000 range of values. Same thing. Now what happened? Now next thing is that what? Let me scroll down. Now I want to get 50% or more. How to get 50% or more? We should go for what concept? And discount greater than or equals to 50% or more. Now ultimately I want to go for starting. Now we should go for what concept? Okay, we should go for what concept? Order by concept. Now see what happened when I starting, this one is not fixed. Now sometimes I want to get one value at the top, remaining value I should do at the starting. We should go for what concept? Order by case. In the order by, we need to see what happened. If I see searching, there is no impact on this particular record. Okay, so see what's the requirement. So see, they want to make like this. Okay, see this record, they don't want to make it. So this record, what they want to make it at the first. Now, how to make it at the first? What's the concept? Tell me. In the order by, they want to go for what concept? Go for what? Go for what? So see, this is the requirement. See, not able to understand. So you need to visualize. You are not able to visualize things. Okay. See the same thing. Now see what happened. Now tell me, first one, what you're getting? We're getting India. If I perform ascending start, India should be at the middle. But what happened? India came at the starting. Same thing if I perform, see, I'm trying to perform ascending start or descending start. So they want to, so this guy want to promote this value. Okay, now see. So now tell me there is no impact on this thing. Now tell me now what happened. Now what they want to do, they want to put order by case statement they want to put. Got the point? Huh? In the order by class, they're putting some case statement. This one should be at the top. So whenever performing any start, this should be at the starting. Okay. So getting a little bit?
Yeah.
So this is the concept of Okay, see, order by and the case statement. Now tell me how to get comma separate value by using two char concept. How to put rupee symbol by using clubbing concept. How to make it capital M remaining small case to go for
Unit
what?
cap.
Go for init cap. Now tell me, see, there are so many brands, but I'm getting only unique brands. How to get only unique brands?
Distinctive.
By using distinct keyword. Okay, same thing. Got the point, huh? Getting the point, this is the way we can able to make it working. See in this use case, you say this is the aggregate function. This is the analytical function. You can able to make it working. Okay, got the point. So see, almost we're at the end. Okay, joins are pending. So see, by seeing this use case, so this is the concept, filtering concept, aggregate function, analytical function, sorting concept. See, conditional statement like this. We see 10,000, 11,000, 890. Like this greater value. Okay, but okay, this is the way we can able to make it. And assignment. Anything else?